In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add your very own fonts to Canva, making your designs truly unique and personalized. To get started, you'll first need to head over to canva.com. In the upper right corner of the homepage, you'll notice the login button. Go ahead and click it to sign in using your existing Canva credentials. If you prefer, you can also log in using your Google or Facebook account, which might save you some time. Once you're logged in, look towards the left corner of the screen for 3 horizontal lines. This is your menu button. Click on it to reveal more options and then select Create a Design. Canva offers a wide array of templates for you to choose from. Whether you're working on something as simple as a social media post or something more intricate like a presentation, you can pick the template that best suits your needs. Now that your design canvas is ready, let's add your custom font. From the Canva homepage, locate the brand option and select Brand Kit from there. The brand kit is Canva's way of helping you keep all your brand elements like colors, logos and fonts in one handy place. Scroll down gently until you reach the fonts section. You'll see a plus sign button there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll select upload a font. Now you simply need to find the font file on your computer that you wish to upload. Keep in mind that Canva supports font files in formats like OTF, TTF and WOFF. When uploading, ensure you choose a font file that you have the rights to use. It's crucial to comply with any licensing agreements associated with your font, as this can save you from potential legal repercussions down the road. After selecting the file, Canva will prompt you to confirm that you have the necessary rights to use the font. Click Yes to proceed, and then you'll need to wait a few moments for the upload process to complete. This might take a little while depending on your internet speed, but once it's done, your new font will be readily available. You can now access this font in your Canva editor whenever you're designing. Just go to the Fonts tab and you'll see your uploaded font listed there. This flexibility not only enhances your brand consistency across various platforms, but also injects a personal touch into all of your creative projects. Now enjoy designing with your custom font and witness how it transforms your graphics. Thanks for watching and happy designing.